It is it's pouring outside. I don't know if you heard that thunder, but this is evenings in Florida. You get the normal rainstorm. But anyway, I want to talk about a thought I've been having, and it has to do with this ratchet. So, I am going through a bit of a lull in my journaling, whereas I'm not drawn to journal as often as I used to. So in the beginning of the year, when I was going through a few challenges, I had a few family issues going on in the beginning of the year. Middle of the year, we had some issues with our pets, and my wife has had a few health issues. I've had a lot of job changes, mergers, and things going on. So things were kind of challenging, and throughout that time, I was really drawn to journaling. And then now I'm sitting in a place where I feel like I should have more time to journal and desire to journal, because things are a little easier now, and I don't have that dying desire to journal. And it was getting me a little confused because I thought maybe I am starting to lose interest in journaling, which is a very disappointing and depressing thought, because I do enjoy journaling and I get a lot of benefit from it. So I dug a little deeper into what was going on, and here's what I found. And I want to share that with you because you might have something similar happening, and it can be a little bit disconcerting. And hey, sorry about that. I thought I was having some mic issues, but apparently not. So I think I should be good. Anyway, so it was a little disappointing, distressing thought that maybe I'm not, I'm done with journaling, and that can happen, when you are in a phase in your life where you're really like interested in something, you're going through a lot of gusto in that thing. It can be really energizing, and you feel like that new hobby that you just picked up, that you have all this energy for, that you're thinking about all the time, is super important. And then over time, that the newness kind of fades, and it can feel like, maybe it's not for me anymore. And I want to ask you to hold on a little bit, because there could be a little nuance there, and this is the nuance that I found, because I was having a really hard time, and I was journaling a lot, and that is really the connection I made, is that my journaling had to do with giving me some recovery from a challenging time in my life. And now I have a little bit of a steady state going on in my life, where things are not as crazy. Things have sort of softened up a little bit, at least momentarily. Things are going to be up and down, and maybe this is just one of those middle periods where things are kind of just like even. And they're going to change, I know that, but for now, I think things are going to be okay. At least they're just kind of running okay. So, and that is why I'm not like drawn to the journal, because I'm not just desperate to journal right now. And it doesn't mean that I've lost interest in it. It just means that I have, that I'm actually in a relaxed state. And in a relaxed state, I can just do some maintenance journaling, which is just my daily log for the most part, and kind of go with that. And that's where this ratchet comes in, So for me, with the ratchet, if it's like when it's clicking, you're building up for an effort, and then when you turn, that's when it's locked in. The clicking is stopped. You're going the opposite way, and that's where you're putting in the effort. So hard times are kind of like when you're putting in the effort, and then when things are simpler, that is where that is the opportunity for you to click back, and build up that energy and that position. So then when the time comes when you're required to, you can then apply the pressure and wrench on it again, and wrench on life again. And that's the metaphor that I'm coming up with, is that the ratcheting is the phase that I'm in right now. Man, it is pouring sheets out there. I've never seen it rain this hard in a long time. Okay, so when I'm in this sort of like an easier period of life, when I'm in an even state, that is a time when I can really like push my boundaries, and maybe push my comfort level, and try out something new. And that's okay if that is not, if I'm not journaling at that time. And then when things get tough, I now have maybe a new set of skills and tools to use to then apply the pressure to keep going. So that could be something like learning a new language or getting back to eating healthy, which is something I need to do, right? We've been going through a challenging several months, and during that time, we've gotten out of the habit of eating healthy. Not that we're eating really bad, but I'm not cooking at home as much as I'd like, and we kind of sort of do, and we're not super interested. We eat out more often than we should, and it's just not good quality. I mean, it's not the best nutritious food when you eat out. So now is the time when I'm going to use to really get that cooking at home. Geez, maybe I should record another time. But now is the time that I really should get ready and get the cooking going at home, get that habit back on track. And that is where I'm going to be doing that ratchet, and that's kind of building that new habit. So when things get tougher, that they usually do, then I have sort of like bolstered up my good habits, and then I can then wrench on life and do those hard times, and that's when I can lean on the journal more, knowing that I already have built up my good habits behind me. So that's really what I'm trying to say is, I was starting to get a little disheartened when I felt like, man, I'm not drawn to journal right now, even though I do journal every day. Is that it's just that I'm going through maybe a flatter period in life, and things will get crazy eventually or not. Whichever way they go, I'll be ready for it, and now is the time to crank the ratchet so I'm ready in the right position, in the ready position, so when life is hard, I can then apply the pressure and get it going. And that's really the video for today. That's the metaphor that I like to use the ratchet metaphor when I'm going through different periods in life is when things are easy, I turn the ratchet. There you go.